You're walking now. So it's a nice windy day, and I came out and he was freaking out over a tarp that blew to the side of his pen. So we decided to tell him, hey, you know what? Tarp can be your friend. It's okay. He trotted around here for quite a while. Looks like he's realizing it's not gonna kill him, because he's gonna be too damn big to be spooky. And I have two balun strings, so I can hold up one side. And just work on his desensitizing. It's a windy day, so it picks up the tarp perfectly. You see, when we go into the wind, the tarp goes crazy. That's not me doing it. I'm just holding it, letting the wind do its thing. Oh, I guess we're changing direction. Okay. Figure a windy day is a good day to work on ground manners, groundwork. So that way, when it comes time to ride or drive, you've got a horse that's used to all this crazy crap and they don't get silly in the wind. And with as big as he's gonna be, and he's gonna be a representation of the breed, we need a good boy when he's older. And he came off the mountains in Austria, so he really didn't get a lot of exposure like this. You know, he was raised to be a prey animal. That's just how they do it over there. And then they start working with him. But, you know, he came from the mountains to California, and he don't know what the hell this thing is. So I'll drop it, let him figure it out a little bit. Good boy. You know, give him a break from the really exciting tarp stuff, because we don't want to burn him out. See, now it's just like as if he's in driving training. He's figuring it out. He's like, oh, okay. There we go. He's starting to chill out until I pick it up again. Good kid. Oh, there's hay in there. But this is such a valuable tool with my old tarps to use for really getting the horse used to something that moves, makes a noise, is scary. Because, you know, when you're out on the trail, you get some crazy crap sometimes blowing at you. And on windy days, we all know how horses can be on a windy day. Hi, buddy. Are you figuring out, huh? So he wants to eat, but he's not too sure still. Oh, the wind blew it just a little bit. Oh God, the wind blew it. See? That's why we're doing it now, before I ever start to ride you. Good boy. And it's just a simple braid, so if it does get stuck, it'll break out no problem. So it's not like gonna do any damage. There we go. We got the licking of the lips. Oh, the wind picked it up. Oh, that's scary. Let's wait till the wind gets it. You don't have to keep walking, you know. You can take a break. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Oh, that was a millisecond. I'm getting more relaxed. That's good. I'm getting more relaxed, kid. Hmm? Oh, the wind moved it. Yeah. Handsome boy. Good boy. So he's still a little nervous about it, but at least he's walking now and not full on in flight mode running from it. Oh, yeah, it blew to the side a little, didn't it? It's a great thing to do on a super windy day when you guys are fools. Oh, the wind blew it. Topaz, you remember these lessons. Ooh, buddy, you're okay. Good boy. Get more relaxed. There we go. So this is where training comes in is so valuable, you know. I mean, so many people want dead broke courses for $2,000 or less, and it's just not a realistic price nowadays. I've been doing this already just for, oh, we're standing. We got Rosie. Look at Rosie. So I've been doing this with him already for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes of just this basic groundwork, and I mean, he's just a yearling. So it takes a while to get a nice, safe, you know, well-trained horse. There you go. You gonna be comfortable enough to try to eat? Not yet? You're getting there. Good boy. Good boy. He's watching it. Oh, Rosie, you sassafras. You want to keep going that way? Okay, whatever. You keep going that way. You just drag that around till you are totally relaxed and don't even think about it anymore. Oh, Rosie hates him. Rosie don't like you. Look at her being sassy. Good boy. You figuring it out? Oh, Rosie! Oh, the tarp's blowing ahead of you. Oh, look at the dirt. Oh, we got a little dirt devil rolling the ball. Alright, I think this is plenty long enough. Shows you relaxing. There we go. Oh, good boy.